Hi everyone, I'm Tessa from Studio Jane, and I'm teaming up with Kid Made Modern and Michaels to give you some inspiration for this holiday season. We'll be using the Kid Made Modern DIY ornament kits to personalize your own ornaments using pom-poms, sequins, and tons of colorful accents. They're the perfect gift just in time for the holidays.
To start your personalized ornament craft, gather your supplies. We'll be using the Kid Made Modern DIY ornament kits, which include the wooden holiday shapes, twine, rhinestones, googly eyes, and felt stickers. In addition, we'll be using construction paper, pom-poms, sequins, and glitter. As for tools in this craft, grab some tacky glue, glue dots, scissors, and a marker to draw all your monogram letters. Now let's get started. We'll go through all the steps to create numerous monogram ornament styles. Pick your favorite or make them all. The wooden shapes come pre-colored and look great. You can also paint your wooden ornaments as I did here. Simply paint 3 or more layers of any color paint, letting the paint dry between each coat for a smooth finish. Another element that you can choose to embellish your wooden shapes is add glitter. Using the snowman wooden shape, add some tacky glue along the border. Take a paintbrush to smooth the glue for a thin border. Sprinkle the glitter on top and tap it down onto your paper covered surface to remove any excess. Now it's time to make the monogram letters to personalize each ornament. Draw block letters onto construction paper and cut them out. We'll be covering these paper letters in all sorts of fun elements, so don't worry about marker lines or cutting perfect edges. If you draw a letter such as a B or something similar, lay it flat on your surface and use one point of your scissors to press it into the center of the inside portion you need to cut out. By pushing the scissor into the table, this will keep your fingers safe while pushing through the paper and cutting a small hole. You can now place your scissors into the new hole and cut the inside portions out. For the first letter style, drizzle tacky glue along the entire front of the letter to cover it. Add one small pom-pom at a time until the entire letter is covered. Set this letter aside until the glue dries before moving on to attaching it to the ornament. We'll go through that step at the end. Second, using the rhinestones from the Kid Made Modern DIY ornament kits, which already have adhesive on the back, place one rhinestone at a time onto the paper letter. The rhinestones can even overlap slightly to create a sparkly and textural look. Continue adding rhinestones until the entire letter is covered. The next monogram letter will be covered in sequins. Use glue dots for a mess-free glue option by adding one glue dot on each sequin at a time. Press the sequins into the paper letter. Let the sequins hang over the edges to be sure it's covered entirely. Then flip the letter over and trim the sequins along the edge of the letter to create a smooth edge. Now it's time for more glitter. Cover your next paper letter with tacky glue, using the tip of the glue bottle to spread the glue evenly over the whole letter. Sprinkle the first glitter color onto the center of the letter and sprinkle the second color onto both sides to create a striped glitter effect. This look will take a while to dry. Be sure to set it aside until it dries flat. Then it'll be ready to attach to your ornament. For our fifth and final monogram style, grab those felt stickers from the DIY ornament kits. Press each sticker onto the paper letter, overlapping each sticker as you go, to be sure the whole letter is covered. Now, just as we did with the sequin letter, flip the letter over and trim the excess stickers off the edges of the letter to create a clean border. Now that all of your letters are decorated, it's time to add additional elements to the wooden shapes and attach the letters to each ornament. Add googly eyes or felt stickers to decorate each ornament. Then flip over the decorated letters and add glue to the back. Place it directly onto the center of the wooden ornament and let dry. Lastly, using the pre-cut pieces of twine, fold it in half and push the folded end into the hole at the top of the ornament, leaving half the twine on either side of the ornament. Pull the loose ends into the loop on the other end and pull tight to create a tight loop at the top of the ornament. Now tie a knot at the top of the twine so your ornament will be able to hang.
Now that we've given you tons of inspiration to make your own monogram ornaments, we can't wait to see how you make them unique and personalized for everyone in your family. Thanks so much for crafting with me, Kid Made Modern, and Michaels. Happy holidays!